What's up, guys? November 29th. It's like about 7:30 at night. Went and checked out Kevin Dooleys 1998 Mk3 Gti Vr6 today. Some garage hangs with the boys. Shout out to Scraping Media, Danny DTM. Went and checked out his new GTI that he scooped up. 1998. It has 95,000 miles. He already put 1,000 miles on it. Mostly stock, super clean. Very clean rockers inside the gas door, strut towers, all the typical Mark III places. Tasteful mods, Neuspeed Catback exhaust, which is cool, and we are pretty sure that it's driver's edition. So he's gonna be putting on some driver's edition wheels that he found, and catback exhaust. It had the ABD strut brace on it. All fairly stock, but typical stuff that you would do back in the Mark III days. So check out the video from earlier. Check out the car. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Fucking
Yeah.
Still got this, which is cracked, but it's still there.
And it's got 94,000 miles.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, 95, I guess.
Well, yeah, probably close to 95. I'm missing the screw in there.
And what year is it?
98.
98.
98.
I thought it was 96.
Let me just double check, but I'm pretty sure.
Oh, the wheels, going by the
They're-
wheels, that's 98, but that don't
the
really.
wheels are off a Jetta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what spoiler is that? Do you know?
I don't. But I can tell you because Shane looked it up, and the what's the name is under here. It is a Freedom Design.
Yep.
Yep. There you go. Yeah, they're like $100, you know. I screwed up. Saw you in everything, dude. Yeah, dude. Well, you know, Johnny. He's got some Steve, I haven't done anything to it, dude. It's just this is the way I bought it. I mean, I cleaned the outside a little bit.
Got the Bosch battery in there.
Yeah.
And
Still got the what's the name up top? I need missing lenses for the fog lights. Yeah, 125 would blow your heart apart, right?
yeah.
But
it's all fancy.
I know. Takes a lot of practice, dude. It's cool, but it's oxidation. Yeah. The gold is great. Just totally self-taught, obviously. Little blowout there. I get. Listen, it's. It's what we first started doing.
And you got the dates on there?
Yeah. No. This is from her mom. I get all this from her mom. So that it's cool because you know you had mentioned the date, the time and the date. So progression, right? Self-taught, and that's why I have to put that hashtag in there, because I don't really want any haters. I'm not trying to gain a bunch of followers. I'm just trying to show that a little bit of hard work and dedication, if you put your mind for. So it's just to do that stuff, you have to have it.
Yeah.
You gotta have the